Hi, this is Eddie with Access Property Management, and today we're going to go over how to register your rental property in the city of Grand Rapids. So when you go online, you can type in the Google search register rental Grand Rapids, and you can come down here to register a rental vacant property. Once you're here, this is the City of Grand Rapids website. You can scroll down and you can register online. So this will take you to the citizen access page. Now I'm already registered, so I can quick log in. If you're new, you'd have to set up an account. And then from here, I'm going to click registration. And I want to create a property registration. Yes, I agree to the city's terms. And from here, this is select a license or registration. Most people won't have this because I've registered so many homes. It will ask me. You can always go all the way down to the bottom and choose none applicable. Hit continue and it'll start the registration. So the first one is going to be registered owner. So I'm going to add a new owner. This will be myself. Address, and then you can enter any phone number if you want. You don't have to. We normally do put an office number, and then an email. Hit continue, and then from here we want to select the manager or registered manager. So I could select from account or I can add a new one. So again, I'm just gonna fill this out under my name. Hit continue here. Oh, I gotta provide a phone number. So after that, I have the owner, I have the manager. I can either save this or I can keep going on continue. From here, I am going to add a row. And this will be the actual home. So I'm going to hit the street number and then select any street, direction, number of units, if it's a 1 unit or 4 unit. Type is dwelling. And then there's no LLC, so I'm gonna leave that blank, hit submit. And that's all I need to do for the properties. Now, if I've sold one, I can come in here and let the city know that I've sold it. So I want to hit continue again. And I would need the owner's date of birth. And then the manager's date of birth. Owner's residence, same as mailing address. I'm gonna click yes. If not, you can fill in this information right here. Your initials. And then continue. Now from here, it's the review. So we're just double checking information, the address, birth dates, all this is right. And then I can continue again. And now the city has that. So then you can come up here and look at the print view summary. And this will give you the information or essentially the registration. So then we normally screenshot this and keep it in a file. Again, you can print it, but that is how you register a property in the city of Grand Rapids. Thank you for watching this video.